Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still Bethel Osiki, and today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to be making a ring light for less than 10 bucks. We all know these ring lights be costing like ridiculously high prices, and I need a second ring light. So I got this idea from a girl on TikTok. I saw her make it, so I decided to make mine too. But I'm going to be doing like specific modifications to mine because I don't want to copy. I want to do my own way. But keep watching. These are the materials you need to make this. So these are the items I'll be needing for this DIY. First of all, these LED push lights, which I got from Dollar Tree. Problem is I got 3 of these and I couldn't find the fourth one. So I searched around for like 3 weeks actually, and I couldn't find it in any Dollar Tree. So I went to Walmart and got this for actually $3.96 plus taxes $4. Basically it's the same dollar, so it's a pack of 4, so technically it costs $1 each. Then I'm going to be using this to actually hold the ring light. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's normally meant for tissue. Then I got this wreath round, it's called a foam wreath. It's used to make all those things you hang on your door. These are busy for the ring lights. And then an X-Acto knife to cut out anything I need to cut out. Then this phone mount, which broke off from my car, and I didn't throw it away because I knew it to come in handy. So let's see if it actually comes in handy. I'm using this black spray paint to spray this black because I don't want the whole green thing. It's off. And then I'll need a glue gun and glue sticks to glue anything I need to glue. Then I'll be using these AAA batteries to power this. So the first thing I did was to figure out where the phone mount would stay. So what you see me doing there, just trying to like press it in so I can get the point. Then I went ahead and cut in with my X-Acto knife so as to get the point even deeper. So once I was satisfied with my point, the next thing I did was to figure out where the stand is going to go in. So I just pressed it down to get the point again, and then I went ahead to cut in a little bit with my X-Acto knife. So basically the same process, just figuring out where it's going to be and then cutting it with your X-Acto knife so you can make the hole deeper, which makes it stay better. So I attempted to spray paint the styrofoam wreath. Well, apparently paint melts styrofoam, which I did not know. So I'm just going to run to Walmart to figure out what to do about this. Probably get some paints that I would actually paint hands on. But yeah, I'll start painting this and it started to melt. So I'm just going to go drive to Walmart now and figure this out. So I got this paint from Walmart. So I got it in white. Hopefully it does the work for me. Let's see how that goes. So this one is working and it's not melting. So I'm just gonna paint this and show you guys. Paint it and dry it and then continue. So as you all can see, I painted this and this is what it's looking like right now, which is not too bad. So don't use spray paint for styrofoam because it melted apparently. So the next thing I'm going to need to do is to put this in here. I already made the hole if you remember. And I'll just use the hot glue gun to make it stay, because right now it's staying, but I'm not sure it's going to actually stay forever. Then another thing we need to concern ourselves with is this, like how to get it to stay. Glue gun, of course, but then is it going to be strong enough? So I'm just going to try to make this hole deeper. So my hot glue gun is ready. I'm just going to put enough glue in here, like a whole ton of glue. Yeah, that's all glue. Then I'm going to push this in. Put some more inside. So this part of my DIY ended up being useless because I eventually did something else with the mount, but I still wanted to leave it in here for you guys to see so that you can also see my mistakes in this DIY. I'm just going to go ahead and put some batteries into the thing. So I just realized that the one I got from Walmart is actually bigger than the one I got from Dollar Tree. I'll show you the sizes right now. So this is the one I got from Dollar Tree. it's smaller than the one I got from Walmart. I don't know how I could have. So I'm going to use 3 of these ones and 1 of this one and see how that comes out. But first of all, I'm going to put the batteries inside so I can see which one is actually brighter and which light I prefer. This one, you just open it like this and the battery goes in here. So you would not believe it, but I did not have the right batteries for this one. So apparently they both use 2 different sizes. But this is how bright this light is. I'm just going to go get batteries for this one. But before that, I'm just going to come back to this. And yep, it's sort of dried. Yeah, it's still moving around. But I'll just go ahead and glue this one too, so that they both dry together. Put a whole lot of glue inside the hole. Like a whole lot. So that thing is stuck there for life. And then put this in there. That's what it's looking like right now. I think so far it's looking good. Let's see how this actually turns out. But that's what it looks like right now. So here's what happened. I put my phone on the phone thingy and it wasn't sturdy enough. So I had to like put the hole all through so that I can put this all the way inside. I'm going to show you that. This is what I mean. So this is what I mean. This way it has more of a support because then it goes all the way through. When I put my phone here, it's not dragging it down. Even though it still drags it down a little bit here, I'm going to figure out what to do to make this stay. I could just put a book on it or something. But for now, this is doing it. So I'm just going to put, I don't really need to put the hot glue gun inside this thing to hold it. But just because I want to, I'm going to put the hot glue gun in here so that it's more secure. I'm going to put the hot glue gun in here so that it's more secure. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so this is just me putting the glue in there so it stays. So I'm just going to leave this to dry. But as you can see, I have the glue there. I've glued this part too. So right now I'm just going to let this dry. I'm just going to rush to Walmart and get some more batteries. But this is what this one looks like. Can you see how bright it is? So imagine it here. Oh Lord, I can really see this coming into play and I love it already. I could actually use 3 of them. I'll put, I don't know how I'm going to arrange this, but I might end up using 2 of each. So 2 of the small ones up and 2 of the big ones down. Let's see how that goes. So we are getting to the end of this DIY. I got the batteries and hopefully these are the right ones. Ah, it's actually yellow lights. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So there's going to be a mix of yellow and white light. And then if I don't want the white light, I could just, you know, but this one has this, which I can just take off and stick. So I'll just take this off and stick it on there. So I'll just take off the sticky thingy and place it on there. So that is 1 white light. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. I don't think it's going to fall off. If it falls off, I'm just going to put a glue on it. And then for the next one, is there a battery inside this? Yep. I'm going to put it right here. And then for this one, there's nothing to stick on it. So I have this tape that's 2-sided because I need something that's going to be easy to change the batteries. So I'll just put the tape on here and stick it here. Let's see how that goes. So this is the tape I was talking about. It's a double-sided tape, so it's going to be easy for me to, like, you know, put it on and take it off. I'll just cut some of it. and place it right here, like so. Take this part off and then place it right here. Yep. Like this. Same thing on this one. This looks super weird, but now let's turn on all the lights and see what it actually looks like. It's a mixture of white and, oh my gosh. Okay, I need to put my phone there so we can see what this actually looks like. I feel like I should add one more of these lights down here. Oh no, I'll just leave it like that and see what it looks like going forward. But boy, do I love this. I could easily just hold it up like this and vlog. Can you see how much beauty? Can you see how the lights is? Okay, I'm gonna have the lights so you guys will see that it actually does up. Can you see? That's, I turned 2 lights on and see the difference, 2 lights off and see the difference. Now all the lights turned off. This is what I look like. All the lights turned on. This is what I look like. I don't need to have all the lights. I could just leave like the white lights on. These white lights. I could leave just yellow lights on. I love this. I love what I just made. The only problem that I'm going to face is how to make this stand, because I know damn well that my phone is going to like make this weight down, so it's going to like fall. So I'm going to figure out a way to make this more solid. Maybe put some books on it when I'm recording or something. But hey, I'll figure it out. And 90% of the time, I feel like I'm not going to use it to hold my phone. I might just use that sort of lighting. I'm going to put my phone on there right now so you guys can actually see what it looks like through my phone. So I turned off my other ring light, my actual ring that I bought, and this is what this one looks like. This is for just like lower than 10 bucks that I made myself. This is lovely. And here's the best part. I can carry it like this and actually take videos, like, and then the light is still on me. Look, that's what it looks like. And then I actually thought it was going to fall, but no, it did not. It still held, even though I'm still scared it might, like, eventually. But like, it's not moving. Okay, now it's moving. But like, let me flip the camera so that you guys can see that it's actually staying. Yeah, now it's falling. I don't know why it's falling now. Like when I first put it, it wasn't falling. But like, yeah, like I said, I'm going to have to put something there to hold it so it doesn't fall. Like, let me flip the camera so you guys can see what I used to hold it. But I'm loving this ring light. It's beautiful. You need to try it. Ring lights are like very expensive for some reason. So instead of buying ring lights, this is one you could actually make. And see, let me show you what I look like without the ring light. This is with yellow light, and this is with no light at all. There's a difference. There is a difference. This is with just the white lights. This is with all the lights on. This is beautiful. If you enjoyed this DIY, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you're going to try it. And if you do try it, this is actually going to be like just nice lights to just keep there. if you do try it, let me know. I'd like to see pictures of how yours came out, because you might not have this. Feel free to destroy your cam out to make this. It's worth it. But if you would like to recreate this video, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to see me do more DIYs, let me also know. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so update. I just got back from work and this is what I found. This will welcome me. My ring light, all the lights fell. But this is an easy fix. All I just have to do right now is to use glue gun. So instead of using the glue that comes with it, I'm going to suggest using glue gun, because that's going to make it like hold better. So I'm just going to use my glue gun, put some hot glue right here, and then put all the lights back. I just thought I should update you guys. I'm so glad I didn't post this video before this happened. So that was an easy fix. All I had to do was use my hot glue gun, put some glue on it, and it was good to go. I'm going to keep you guys updated just in case there's any more things that happen to it, but I think it should be fine now. So just watch the comment section and leave any comments and any questions you have, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.